wabarakatuh. Hi class, welcome back to English class with Mrs. Dian. Alright, long time no see, because you got your holiday for the 2 weeks, right? Okay, so now we're back again to study together. Okay, for this occasion, untuk pertemuan kita kali ini, we have a new chapter. Kita punya bab baru, yaitu about recount text. Recount text ini berkaitan dengan what did you do yesterday. Kira-kira jawabannya apa? What did you do yesterday? Alright, pasti kalian akan menjawab memakai kata kerja bentuk kedua. Nah, itu dia ciri-ciri dari recount text tersebut. For example, what did you do yesterday? Kalian mungkin akan menjawab, yesterday I went to Teluk Lombok. When, berasal dari verb one-nya go. Oke. Kemudian mungkin diantara kalian ada yang menjawab, yesterday I slept at 2 a.m. for example. Tadi malam saya tidur pada pukul 2. Oke, slept bentuk keduanya. Atau kalian mau menjawab dengan kata kerja yang lain. Misalnya, last week I ate fried rice in restaurant for example. Nah, jadi kata kerjanya semua menggunakan kata kerja bentuk kedua. Itu ciri-ciri dari recount text. Alright, sudah dapat gambaran ya? Oke. Nah, jadi ada types of recount text. Itu ada 3. Tapi for today we focus on experience atau past activity. Di antaranya yang lain ada juga biography and historical event. Itu next time we discuss about it. Okay. Next, for class objective today, I hope after we learn about recount text, kalian tahu tentang structure of recount text dan kalian bisa answer the questions according to the text. Alright? And di dalam recount text itu ada beberapa transition words. Kalau kalian membuat recount text atau di dalam recount text itu ada apa aja sih ciri-cirinya yang lain? Ada transition words. Di antaranya we will use first, pertama, then, next, before that, after that, later on, finally, and for example in the end. Ini beberapa transition words yang bisa kalian pakai di dalam recount text. Alright? Nah, kalau recount text structure-nya sendiri seperti apa? Nah, jadi paragraf pertama itu biasanya berisi orientation, Kemudian nanti ada event 1, event 2, event 3, event 4, dan yang terakhir namanya reorientation. Ini structure dari recount text Jadi pasti ada event yang saling berkaitan, event 1, event 2. Maybe there are many events, not only 4 events. Ini just for example. Okay? Nah, ini ciri-ciri structure dari recount text. Alright. Next. Nah, I will give you example Ini ada beberapa sentence There are 6 sentences Silakan kalian coba which one is orientation, which one is even 1, even 2, even 3, even 4, and reorientation according to these 6 sentences. Which one? Yang mana yang pertama? Coba silakan dibaca dulu. Yang mana yang termasuk orientation? This, or this? Okay, which one? Okay, let's guess. Okay. Nah, orientation yang bisa menjawab tadi yang if you answer Miss Lucy last night Sanata. Excellent. Ini orientation. And then which one? Even 1. Yang mana? Yes, that's right. First Miss Lucy came home from school. Kemudian even 2-nya yang mana lagi? Alright. Then Miss Lucy called her family. And then even 3, which one? Alright. After the call ended, Miss Lucy made a TikTok. Alright. And then which one even 4? Alright. Later on, Miss Lucy listened to BTS. Alright. And then, so of course, the last sentence is Miss Lucy went back at home so she would be ready for school tomorrow. Oke, nice work. Yang udah bisa jawab semuanya, excellent ya. Oke. Nah, I give you example of recount text. Coba dilihat di sini ada contoh dari recount text ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 paragraphs ya. Kira-kira kalian udah bisa menentukan kan yang mana orientation, which one is even 1, even 2, even 3. Mrs. gampang, tinggal diurutkan aja. Oke, boleh ya. Tapi don't forget to read first, dibaca dulu ya. Even 1-nya yang mana, serangkaian kegiatannya yang mana aja, kemudian di orientation-nya yang mana. Alright. Oke. Nah, according to the text, ya silahkan you write on your notebook ya. Number 1, list structure of the text. Silahkan ditulis structure of the textnya according to the text tadi yang mana sih gitu. Next, number 2, what did they do in Samarinda? And then number 3, why did Miss Lucy not enjoy the movie? And then number 4, why did Miss Janika cry? And then 5, list 10 verb to past tense according to the text. Right? Do you understand? Yeah, I hope all of you can answer this question. Yeah, it is very easy for recount text. Alright, class. So it is time to wrap up. Ya. Jadi hari ini kita belajar apa? Okay, first we study about recount text. Ya, recount text ada berapa tipe? Oke, ada 3 tipe, yaitu past activity atau experience, kemudian biografi, and apalagi historical event. Alright, tapi hari ini kita fokus di experience ya. Kemudian di recount text itu ada transition words, ya kan? Transition word contohnya apa? Ada first, before that, after that, then, finally, in the end, bla bla bla. Alright, itu tadi ya. Kemudian structure of recount text-nya ada apa aja? Alright, ada orientation, kemudian ada even 1, even 2, even 3 ya. Maybe it can be more than even 4, boleh. And yang terakhir namanya reorientation. Alright, class ya. You success to wrap up our study today. Okay. So I think this is the end of our meeting today ya, about recount text dalam part yang experience ya. Thanks for your attention. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.